see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day.
Hello, little stars. I'm Gale, and welcome to Little Stars Garden Grooves. Today's party is all about ideas. New ideas, wild ideas, bright ideas, silly ideas, all the ideas. But every good inventor starts with a giggle. So let's begin with a knock-knock joke. Knock, knock. Tank. You're welcome. Thank you for being brilliant today. Ha 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 ha. All right, idea makers. Time to crank up our creative engines with our first song, the inventing kind.
Some folks color inside the lines. I doodle stars and twist the signs. I take the tools no one will use and build a dream that I would choose. I ask the questions others skip. I turn ideas into a trip with sparks of thought and hands that play. I find my own amazing way. I invent my way. I mix and mold new things from scratch, both bright and bold. I think I try. I bend and turn a corner, not the end. And then my way. I'm built to try ideas like comets in the sky. No rules can hold the things I see. There's magic in the mind of me. What's never done, that's where I start. My tools are questions, hands, and heart. If others stare or say it's strange, I smile and keep on making change. I invent my way, I mix and mold new things from scratch, both bright and bold. I think I try, I bend and turn a corner, not the end. I invent my way, I'm built to try ideas like comets in the sky. No rules can hold the things I see. There's magic in the mind of me. Wheels and wings and songs and stars, tiny bugs or flying cars, whatever's waiting to be made, I'll build it bold and unafraid. I bend my way, I twist and turn. The more I build, the more I learn. No map, no fear, just step by step, a brand new world of wonder. And I bend my way, it's clear to see there's power in of me.
This is amazing!
Wow, that song made my brain fizz like soda pop. Let's go star spotting. Up in the night sky, you can find the constellation Aquarius. Even though Aquarius is called the water bearer, it's really an air sign, full of inventions, ideas, dreams, and visions of the future. Aquarius looks like a person pouring water, or energy, back into the world. I like to imagine those water waves are actually new ideas spilling out for everyone to enjoy. One of the biggest stars in Aquarius is Sa-Dal-Me Lake. Its name comes from an ancient phrase that means the lucky one of the king. Long ago, people believed this star carried messages about big ideas, future thinking, and helping communities grow. Aquarius energy reminds us to think differently, like asking, what if? Why not? What could be? When you spot Aquarius in the sky, think about your own ideas. Even the smallest spark can grow into something amazing. Now let's keep the creativity glowing with our next song, Proud to Be Me.
I don't look like everyone. I may speak or dream another tongue, but in my heart a spark is true, and that bright light is shining through. My steps may dance to a different beat. I wear my colors head to feet, but every thread and sound and style makes me unique and makes me smile. Shine your
song felt like a rocket boost for my brain. Time for Riddle Me This. Here's the first riddle. I change how things work, but I don't change what they are. I help people go faster, smarter, or kinder. What am I? An idea. Aquarius energy loves ideas that improve things. New ways to share, build, or solve problems. And every invention starts with someone thinking, what if we tried this instead? Okay, little stars, here's another one. I help lots of people at the same time. I'm used at school, at home, or in a town. I work best when everyone follows me. What am I? A rule. Rules and systems help groups work better together, like taking turns, lining up, or using a schedule. When they're fair and thoughtful, they make things easier for everyone. Aquarius loves inventing better systems, new ways to organize, share, or solve problems, so people can work better as a team. Aquarius energy isn't just about inventing cool things, it's about inventing useful things that help people work together. Now let's sing a song that helps us take those ideas one step at a time. One thing first.
Step right up, stars and sparks. Let's choose smart and leave our mark. What comes first? What can wait? Let's set it straight and feel great. I've got 10 ideas bouncing in my head. One says paint, the other says bread. I wanna build rockets and dance all day, but what's the first step that clears the way? So I stop, take a breath, strike a thinking pose, put the loudest ones on hold. That's how it goes. One thing first, that's how I roll. Big wild dreams, but I stay in control. Map it out, pick a track. Do one thing strong, then I'll circle back. I can't do it all at once, and that's not a curse, it's genius, baby. One thing first. I love big puzzles and out there plans I build with my brain and my brilliant hands. But every big dream, every spark needs a little order to leave a mark. So I line them up like stars in the sky. Pick one to follow and aim high. One thing first, that's my jam. I'm the captain of my own brain's plan. Flip the switch, find the flow, then I let my Aquarius glow. I can't juggle all the stars in one burst, so I shine smart. One thing first.
That song helped me organize all my ideas. Now let's spin the star wheel and see what fun movement is next. Ooh, zap and slide. This one's perfect for idea makers. Okay, little stars, freeze like a robot loading a brilliant idea. Now zap. Slide to the side like your idea just burst to life. Let's do it again. Freeze. Zap and slide. Perfect. Anytime you feel stuck or need inspiration, try a zap and slide to get your ideas moving again. Now let's wrap up our inventing adventure with the Little Stars Garden theme.
We come to grow, we come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where dreams begin to grow. let's shine.
What an electrifying party we had today, little stars. We invented, imagined, solved riddles, and sparked new ideas. Remember, different thinkers change the world. Be sure to join us next Saturday for another magical episode of Little Stars Garden. You never know what brilliant idea will pop up next. Keep imagining, keep inventing, and keep shining bright. See you next time, little stars.
We come to grow, we come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn.